With Bitcoin continuing to test new all-time highs around $118,000, the entire cryptocurrency market is finally, once again, feeling some excitement. And that excitement is showing itself in the Fear and Greed Index. We're sitting at a level of 69 greed right now. People are pouring back in. They're buying cryptocurrency. Now, yes, they're buying more Bitcoin right now than they are meme coins and altcoins, and you can see that in the sense that we're still sitting at a level of 27 in terms of the overall altcoin season. We are not in altcoin season yet, which means the gains could just get better. Let's talk about it. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. Now, we're going to be going over the overall market in a second here, but in this video, we're going to be focusing on DeepSeek AI and its price predictions for XRP, Solana, and I want to focus a little bit more on Shiba Inu coin towards the end of 2025. Now, these price predictions are extremely bullish, and of course, DeepSeek's AI or DeepSeek AI is pulling these price predictions at a time when cryptocurrency prices are doing very well. So, of course, they are a little bit more optimistic at the moment. Now, it goes on to say that Ripple's legal battle has been concluded in March, and that's a very good sign. And by the end of 2025, DeepSeek expects a price point of $5. Now, that's actually not that bad because a lot of other analysts out there are expecting between the $4 and $6 range. So, DeepSeek is kind of right in the middle at that $5 price point, which is still nearly a 100% increase from the current level. You know, it's almost crazy when you think, oh man, I could only double my money in the next 4 months. Oh man, you mean I can only go out there and make a 100% gain? Guys, I don't know if it's meme coins, I don't know if it's altcoins, I don't know what it is, but there's almost a sense of delusion in the crypto market that a 100% gain is not good. That you need to go out there and make a 40,000% gain and you know, turn a dollar into $40,000 if you're going to be successful. That's crazy. Those are lottery ticket plays. Now, they do happen, absolutely, but they're not that easy to come by. So, XRP looking good with that $5 price point. Solana, this is an interesting one. I own more Solana than I do XRP. And it says that Solana, after falling from highs of about $250 in January to near $100 in April, it's recently broken out and trading around that $150. I believe it's at like $158 today. But DeepSeek, and I don't disagree with this, okay, says Solana could surge to $600 by the end of 2025, more than doubling its former high of $293. Now, 600 is kind of right in my range. I'm expecting 500, but I'm hoping for $500 to $1,000 Solana during this bull market. And one of the reasons that I am expecting that is because, of course, all of the meme coins and the vast majority of meme coins that are traded, super volume, is on the Solana network. So once retail gets interested in crypto again, I believe that Solana could thrive. And therefore, that $600 price point is sounding more and more, I guess, obtainable. Shiba Inu coin. Now, we know it launched in 2020. Shiba Inu coin currently trading around 1370 points per coin. It says immediate resistance sits around 2200 with potential upside to 3000 points per coin. Should the momentum continue, DeepSeek AI could climb towards 10,000 points per coin, guys. So DeepSeek AI actually expects Shiba Inu coin to have one of the best performances of all three of these cryptocurrencies. A 7x gain from the current levels to new all-time highs, dropping that zero to around 10,000 points per coin. Now, I do own Solana, I own XRP, and I own Shiba Inu coin, so I'm very excited about all of these price predictions. Will I hold to these levels? Here's my honest thought, right? I don't know if I will hold Shiba Inu coin for a 7x gain. I don't know if I will hold Solana. I do have a goal in mind for my overall portfolio that I would love to hit by the end of the year. And it will cause me to reassess my holdings and reassess, you know, what I want out of cryptocurrency. So I don't know if I will hold each of these to these anticipated levels. I also know that we are right on track with previous bull and bear market cycles. 2017, it was the end of 2017, we ripped up and immediately had a bear market that followed. 2021, end of 2021, guys, we ripped up and immediately had a bear market that follows. End of 2025, you know, I'm not anticipating that this is guaranteed to happen or anything, but end of 2025, we could rip up and immediately have a bear market that follows. You know, history doesn't have to repeat itself, but if it does, we better be prepared to take some profit during this bull market rally. Now, the article does go on to talk about token 6900 and potential. Look, I don't think it's going to have 1000x gains. 1000x gains, I believe, will put it at about a $5 billion market cap. And I don't know if it's going to get all the way to a $5 billion market cap. But I have bought in to token 6900. So I'm actually surprised that it's talking about token 69 because it's brand new in that article there. I have bought into token 6900, $391,000 sold so far. The price is going to rise again in 18 hours and 55 minutes. Hard cap of $5 million. So when this reaches $5 million sold, it is going to be launching, it is going to be claimable, and it is going to be tradable on the open market. If you guys are interested in buying this one as well, you're going to buy with crypto, buy with card, connect your wallet, you scan that QR code that pops up on the screen with the wallet on your phone, and then of course you just type in how much you want, and those tokens are yours to claim on launch day. Now, token 6900 is a meme coin. Understand that. They're not telling you that they are building any utility, and I kind of like that, right? It says the website declares it's not built on fundamentals. It's built on delusion, irony, and the collective hallucination of terminally online traders. Guys, that's what meme coins are about. At the beginning of the article or beginning of the video, I talked about the fact that, 40,000% gains are not easy. They're not easy, man. And you don't get those by going out there and essentially investing in something that's already sitting at $1 billion valuation. It is very risky. It is very speculative. And I am willing to take that chance. I want to know if you guys are willing to take that chance. Let me know down in the comments below. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.